Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Buddy. This is our fifth session of 50 most repeated NEET MCQs, and with this we'll finish off with entire class 11th unit, and from next Sunday we are going to start with class 12th unit. Today the unit is unit 5, human physiology. It's an interesting unit. I hope you have read all the chapters of human physiology before attempting today's 50 MCQ series, and if you have not, do go and read those chapters first and then come back and attempt today's MCQ series. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Question number 1. Which one of the following human organs is often called as graveyard of RBC? Kidney, spleen, liver, gallbladder. Graveyard of RBCs. The correct answer is option B, that is spleen. Question number 2. Which one of the following is an amine hormone? Progesterone, thyroxine, oxypurine, insulin. Amine hormone. The correct answer is option B. Thyroxine is an example of amine hormone. Question number 3. Pellagra is caused by deficiency of vitamin B3, vitamin B5, vitamin B6 or vitamin B9. Correct answer is pellagra is caused by deficiency of vitamin B3. And what is the name of vitamin B3? Right, niacin. Guys, remember the names of vitamins and the deficiencies are important. They are often asked in NEET. Question number 4. Which set is similar? Corpus luteum, Graafian follicle, sebum, sweat, vitamin B7, niacin, bundle of His, pacemaker. Which set is similar? The correct answer is option A, corpus luteum, Graafian follicle. Question number 5. What will happen if ligaments are torn? Bone will become unfixed. Option B. Bone will become fixed. Option C. Bone less movable at joint and pains. Option D. Bone will move freely at joint and there will be no pain. What will happen if the ligaments are torn? Correct answer is option C. Bone will be less movable at the joint and there will be pain. Question number 6. Achondroplasia is a disease related with the defect in formation of membrane, mucosa, bone, cartilage. Achondroplasia. Correct answer is option D, that is achondroplasia is related with cartilage. The name itself is revealing it. Chondroplasia. Plasia means development. Chondro means cartilage. A means absent. So there is an absence of cartilage. Question number 7. What will happen if the stretch receptors of urinary bladder wall are totally removed? Micturition will continue. Urine will continue to collect normally in bladder. There will be no micturition. Urine will not collect in bladder. What will happen if the stretch receptors of urinary bladder are totally removed? Correct answer is option C. There will be no micturition. Why is the micturition there? Micturition is there because when the bladder gets filled, stretch receptors of the bladder send signals to the spinal cord and the brain, which returns as a signal for urination. Now, if the stretch receptors are removed, even if the bladder will get filled, no signals would come for micturition, so there will be no micturition. Question number 8. A person likely to develop tetanus is immunized by administering preformed antibody, wide spectrum antibodies, weakened germs, or dead germs. A person likely to develop tetanus is immunized by administering. The correct answer is option C, weakened germs. Question number 9. Gigantism and acromegaly are due to hypothyroidism, hyperthyroidism, hypopituitarism, or hyperpituitarism. Gigantism and acromegaly are due to. The correct answer is option D, that is hyperpituitarism. Gigantism and acromegaly are caused by growth hormone excess, and growth hormone is released by pituitary. So hyperpituitarism will result in hypersecretion of growth hormone, which in turn will cause gigantism and acromegaly. Question number 10. The supportive skeletal structure in human external ear and the nose strip are example of areolar tissue, bone, cartilage, ligament. Correct answer is option C, cartilage. Question 11. Spermatogenesis is under the regulatory influence of ADH, FSH, LH or TSH. Spermatogenesis is under the influence of. The correct answer is option B. It is under the influence of FSH. Question number 12. Which hormone is secreted by women if pregnancy has occurred? Estrogen, progesterone, luteinizing hormone, human chorionic gonadotrophin. Hormone secreted in a woman if pregnancy has occurred. Correct answer is option D, human chorionic gonadotrophin. Question number 13. Which of the following statements is correct? Z-line bisects the I band. I band is made of thick filaments. M-line bisects the I band, or thin filaments are firmly attached to M-line. You have to mark the correct statement. The correct answer is option A, that is Z-line bisects the I band. Question number 14. The epithelial tissue present on the inner surface of bronchioles and fallopian tube is glandular, ciliated, squamous, cuboidal. The correct answer is option B, that is ciliated epithelium. Question number 15. Which of the following statements is not correct? Not correct. Goblet cells are present in the mucosa of intestine and secrete mucus. Oxytocin cells are present in the mucosa of the stomach and secrete HCl. Acini is present in the pancreas and secrete carboxypeptidases. Berners gland is present in submucosa of stomach and secretes pepsinogen. Which of the following statement is not correct? The answer is option D is not correct. Berners gland is a submucosal gland, but it is present in duodenum and not in stomach. Question number 16. Yellow bone marrow is found specially in medullary cavity of long bone, spongy bone, short bones, all of above. Correct answer is option A, in the medullary cavity of long bones. Question number 17. What is another name of windpipe? Trachea, larynx, esophagus, lungs. Correct answer is option A, trachea. Question number 18. Hormone responsible for secretion of milk after parturition is ACTH, LH, ICSH, prolactin. Hormone responsible for secretion of milk after parturition. Correct answer is option D, prolactin hormone. Question number 19. Endemic goiter is a state of normal thyroid function, moderate thyroid function, increased thyroid function or decreased thyroid function. The correct answer is option D. It is a decreased thyroid function state. Question number 20. Identify the correct set which shows the name of the enzyme from where it is secreted and substrate upon which it acts. Ptyalin, intestine, maltose. Ptyalin, pancreas, lipids. Pepsin, stomach wall, casein. Chymotrypsin, salivary gland, lactose. The correct answer is option B. Pepsin, secreted by the stomach walls and acts on the casein protein. Now, ptyalin is secreted by the salivary gland. So, option A and B are wrong. And D, chymotrypsin, it is a pancreatic juice hormone present in pancreatic juice. So, option D, secretion by salivary gland, that's a wrong statement. Question number 21. Space in the jawbone occupied by teeth is called dentine, diastema, enamel, crown. Correct answer is option B, diastema. Question number 22. Fastest distribution of some injectable materials or medicine and with no risk of any kind can be achieved by injecting it into arteries, veins, lymph vessels or muscles. Correct answer is option B, by injecting them into veins. Question number 23. Select the correct matching of a hormone from its source and function. Norepinephrine, adrenal medulla, increases the heart rate, rate of respiration and alertness. Glucagon, beta cells of islets of Langerhans, stimulates glycogenolysis. Prolactin, posterior pituitary, regulates growth of mammary gland and milk formation in female. Vasopressin, posterior pituitary, increases water loss through urine. You have to select the pair or the column with all the correct matching of hormone source and function. Correct answer is option E is correct. Option 1 is correct. Norepinephrine, the source is adrenal medulla and increases the heart rate, rate of respiration and alertness. Glucagon is not secreted by beta cells, it is secreted by alpha cells. Insulin is secreted by beta cells. Prolactin, it is an ovarian hormone secreted by ovarian, not by posterior pituitary. Vasopressin, yes, it is secreted by posterior pituitary, but it increases the loss of water. No, it decreases the loss of water. That's why it is also known as antidiuretic hormone. So the function of vasopressin given is wrong. So the answer is option 1, that is norepinephrine. Source is adrenal medulla and the function is to increase the heart rate and rate of respiration and alertness, also known as emergency hormone. Question number 24. In which one of the following organisms its excretory organs are correctly stated? Earthworm, pharyngeal, integumentary, septal nephridia, cockroach, Malpighian tubule and entire ceca, frog, kidney, skin, buccal epithelium, humans, kidney and sebaceous gland. Excretory organs are correctly stated. The correct answer is option A. In earthworm, the excretory organs are pharyngeal, integumentary and septal nephridia. Question number 25. Which one of following is correct description of certain part of a normal human skeleton? First vertebrae is axis, which articulates with the occipital condyle. The ninth and the 10th pair of vertebrae are called as the floating ribs. Glenoid cavity is depression in the thigh bone which articulates. Parietal bone and the temporal bone of skull are joined by fibrous joints. Which one of the following is correct description? Correct answer is option D. Parietal bone and the temporal bone of the skull are joined by fibrous joints. Question number 26. The ABO blood grouping is controlled by gene I, which has 3 alleles and shows codominance. There are 6 genotypes. How many phenotypes are possible? The correct answer is option B, 4 phenotypes. And what are those? A, B, AB and O. Question number 27. Select the answer with correct matching of the structure, its location and function. Cerebellum, midbrain, controls respiration and gastric secretion. Hypothalamus, forebrain, controls body temperature, urge for eating and drinking. Blind spot, near the place where optic nerve leaves the eye. Rods and cones are present but inactive here. Eustachian tube, anterior part of internal ear, equalizes ear pressure on either side of tympanic membrane. You have to select the correct organ with its location and function. The correct answer is option 2 is correct. Hypothalamus located in the forebrain and controls the body temperature and urge for eating and drinking. Question number 28. Alzheimer's disease in humans is associated with deficiency of glutamic acid, acetylcholine, GABA aminobutyric acid or dopamine. Alzheimer's disease in humans is associated with deficiency of. Correct answer is option B, acetylcholine. Question number 29. A young infant may be feeding entirely on mother's milk, which is white in color, but the stool which the infant passes is quite yellowish. The yellow color of the stool is due to bile pigment passed through the bile juice, undigested milk protein casein, pancreatic juice poured into duodenum or intestinal juice. The yellowish color of the stool comes due to. Correct answer is option A, due to the bile pigments that is passed through the bile juice. Question number 30. When breastfeeding is replaced by less nutritive food, low in protein and calories, the infant below the age of 1 year is likely to suffer from rickets, kwashiorkor, pellagra, or marasmus? The correct answer is option B, kwashiorkor. Remember guys, protein allergy malnutrition are of two types, kwashiorkor and marasmus. Now you need to remember under which year it is called as kwashiorkor and above which year it is called as marasmus. Question number 31. Sickle cell anemia is option A, caused by substitute of valine biglutamic acid in the beta chain of hemoglobin, caused by a change in a single base pair of DNA, characterized by elongated sickle-like RBC with a nucleus, or option D, it is an autosomal linked dominant trait. Sickle cell anemia. Correct answer is option B. It is caused by a change in single base pair of the DNA. Question number 32. Compared to our blood, our lymph has plasma without protein, more WBC and no RBC, more RBC and less WBC, option D, no plasma at all. Compared to blood, our lymph has. The correct answer is option B. It has more WBC and no RBCs. Question number 33. The genetic defect adenosine deaminase deficiency may be cured permanently by administering adenosine deaminase activator, introducing bone marrow cells producing ADA into the cells at early embryonic stage, enzyme replacement therapy, periodic infusion of genetically engineered lymphocytes having functional ADA, that is adenosine deaminase cDNA. Correct answer is option B, by introducing bone marrow cells producing ADA into the cells at the early embryonic stage. The defect of adenosine deaminase deficiency may be cured permanently. Question number 34. Oxyntic cells secrete HCl, trypsin, NaOH, pepsinogen. Correct answer is option A. It secretes the HCl. Question number 35. Addiction to alcohol causes cirrhosis, epilepsy, neurosis, psychosis. Addiction to alcohol causes. The correct answer is option A, cirrhosis. Cirrhosis is the liver disease, and it is often said that the liver is the organ which is most affected by consuming alcohol. Question number 36. Blood is a kind of areolar tissue, connective tissue, structural tissue, reticular connective tissue. The correct answer is option B. It is a kind of connective tissue. Question number 37. Deficiency of vitamin B12 causes cirrhosis, thalassemia, beriberi, pernicious anemia. The correct answer is option D, pernicious anemia. It is a type of megaloblastic anemia. And why does vitamin B12 deficiency causes anemia? Because vitamin B12 is involved in DNA replication, and when the cell grows in size but is not able to replicate its DNA, it stays in large sized shape, right? So when the RBCs are large, because the DNA was not replicated and the cell could not divide, it results in megaloblastic. And why anemia? Because the RBC is not dividing, so the number will decrease, right? So it will cause anemia. Megaloblastic anemia, pernicious anemia is a type of megaloblastic anemia. Question number 38. Urea synthesis occurs in kidney, liver, brain, or muscles. Correct answer is option B. It occurs in liver. Question number 39. Which is regarded as urinary bladder of embryo? Amnion, allantois, chorion, or yolk sac? Urinary bladder of embryo. The correct answer is option B, allantois. Question number 40. Which is common to kidney and skeleton in mammals? Cortex, medulla, pelvis, or radius? The correct answer is option C. Pelvis is common to kidney and skeleton. If you cut through the section of a kidney and see the various medullary pyramids together form the pelvis, right? Pelvis of kidney. Now in the skeleton of the mammals, when two hip bones join, they form the pelvic girdle. It is a pelvis bone. So pelvis is a term which is common to both kidney as well as skeleton. Question number 41. Which one of the following pair of chemical substance is correctly categorized? Pepsin and prolactin, two digestive enzymes secreted in stomach, troponin and myosin, complex protein in striated muscles, secretin and rhodopsin, polypeptide hormone, calcitonin, thymosin, thyroid hormone. Which one of the pair of chemical substance is correctly categorized? The correct answer is option B. Troponin and myosin, these are complex proteins that are found in striated muscles. Question number 42. A fall in GFR activates adrenal cortex to release aldosterone, adrenal medulla to release adrenaline, posterior pituitary to release vasopressin, juxtaglomerular cells to release renin. A fall in GFR activates. The correct answer is option D. It activates the juxtaglomerular cells to release renin. Question number 43. Read the following four statements A to D. Colostrum is recommended for newborn baby because it is rich in antigen. Chikungunya is caused by a gram-negative bacteria. Tissue culture has proved useful in obtaining virus-free plants. Beer is manufactured by distillation of fermented grape juice. How many of the above statements are wrong? How many are wrong? Option 1, 3. Option 2, 4. Option 3, 1 or option 4, 2. How many of the above statements is incorrect? The correct answer is option 1. That is 3 statements are incorrect. Statement 1 is incorrect. Statement B is incorrect and statement D is incorrect. Colostrum is recommended to newborn because it is rich in antibodies and not antigen. Chikungunya is caused by virus, not a gram-negative bacteria. And beer is manufactured from distillation of the cereals and not the grape juice. Question number 44. Which one of the following organism is scientifically correctly named, correctly printed according to the international rules of nomenclature and correctly described? Plasmodium falciparum, a protozoan pathogen causing most serious type of malaria. Felis tigris, the Indian tiger well protected in Gir forest. E. coli, full name Entamoeba coli, a commonly occurring bacterium of human intestine. Musca domestica, the common house lizard, a reptile. You have to tell which is correctly named, correctly printed and correctly described. The correct answer is option A. Plasmodium falciparum, a protozoan pathogen, causes the most serious type of malaria. Question number 45. Which one of the following pairs of food components in human reaches the stomach totally undigested? Starch and fat, fat and cellulose, starch and cellulose, protein and starch. Which of the following food components in humans reaches the stomach totally undigested? Correct answer is option B, fat and cellulose. Now remember guys, digestion of starch starts in the buccal cavity itself, where the salivary amylase digests 30% of the starch of the food into a disaccharide, maltose, right? So fat and cellulose are the food components whose digestion doesn't occur in mouth and it starts only and only in the stomach. Question number 46. Elbow joint is an example of hinge joint, gliding joint, ball and socket joint, pivot joint. Elbow joint is an example of. The correct answer is option A, hinge joint. Guys, remember what hinge joint looks like. It looks like a door. While you open a door and close a door, that's a type of movement that the hinge joint allows. So similarly, the elbow also allows just the flexion and the extension of the flexed elbow, right? So that's a type of movement that is seen in door hinges. So it's called as hinge joint. Question number 47. Consider the following four statements A to D regarding kidney transplant and select the two correct ones out of these. Even if a kidney transplant is proper, the recipient may need to take immunosuppressant for a long time. The cell-mediated immune response is responsible for graft rejection. The B lymphocytes is responsible for graft rejection. The acceptance or rejection of the kidney transplant depends upon specific interferons. Which two statements are correct? Option 1, B and C. Option 2, C and D. Option 3, A and C, or option 4, A and B. The correct answer is option 4. A and B are correct statement. Even if the kidney transplant is proper, the recipient may need to take immunosuppressant because the kidney can be rejected, and the rejection of kidney is a type of cell-mediated immune response. Question number 48. Which one of following statements about morula in humans is correct? It has almost equal quantity of cytoplasm as an uncleaved zygote but more amount of DNA. It has far less cytoplasm as well as less DNA than uncleaved zygote. It has more or less equal quantity of the cytoplasm and the DNA as the uncleaved zygote. It has more cytoplasm and more DNA than the uncleaved zygote. Which one of the following statement about the morula of human is correct? The correct answer is option A is correct. It has almost equal quantity of cytoplasm as an uncleaved zygote, but it has a more number of DNA, more amount of DNA. Question number 49. The primary dentition in human differs from permanent dentition in not having one of the following type of teeth: incisors, canines, premolars, molars. One of the following four types of teeth is not there in the primary dentition or the milk teeth. You have to tell which one is it. The correct answer is option C. Premolars are not there in milk teeth, they come directly as the permanent teeth. So for the milk teeth, the dental formula in humans is 2102. 2102. Question number 50. Glenoid cavity articulates scapula with acromion, clavicle with scapula, humerus with scapula, or clavicle with acromion. Glenoid cavity articulates. The correct answer is option C, humerus with the scapula. Glenoid cavity is the cavity that is found in scapula that holds the humerus for the ball and socket joint of the shoulder. So those are the 50 MCQs for today, and with that we finish off with the entire biology of class 11th. Once again, we have already done it chapter wise, we did unit wise, then we did jumbled questions, and now we've finished the unit wise once again. I hope you're finding these MCQ series helpful, and if you are, do share them with your friends as well. So I'll see you guys again tomorrow with my regular jumbled MCQ series. Till then, all the best and keep working hard. Do like and share this video if you find it helpful, and if you're new out there, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.